Today we're going to talk about a day in the life of the macrobiotic lifestyle. So at the end of the entire macrobiotic day, I reward myself with a shower in my beautiful filtered water shower. And a very important part of our day, and people collapse when I tell them this is like still part of the day, but an important part of the day is body scrubbing. Body scrubbing entails scrubbing the entire body with either a washcloth or a white cotton washcloth, not a synthetic dyed washcloth, or a natural bristle body brush. We start from the head. We work head to toe. We work towards the center of the body, towards the heart, in the direction that the blood and the lymph flows. So you start at the extremities, at the hands, at the head, at the feet, and you work up towards the heart. It promotes circulation, it promotes lymph flow, it cleans the skin, it stimulates the organs that are inside your body and helps to cleanse them, and it's a very important part of the day.